What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to scrape any website automatically using Claude. So let's get started. To scrape any website using Claude, we're going to create a skill that will be responsible for scraping our websites. So in Claude, I'll click on Customize right here and click on Skills to create our skill that will be responsible for scraping our sites. So here I'm going to click on Create with Claude to create our skill. Here I'm going to hit enter to describe the skill that we like to create using Claude. Then we're going to tell Claude, create a skill that takes a user-provided website URL, crawls and scrapes all accessible pages on the site, extracts and summarizes the key information from each page into a unified overview of a business, then formats the results into a clean email draft with the subject line and structured body, and returns a final email ready to send. Now to create the skill, I'm going to hit enter right here. Give it a second or two for it to create our skill. So here you can see it successfully created our skill. Here, let's give it a test to see if it's going to scrape a site. I'm going to give it a URL of my website right here. I'm going to copy the URL of my site, then give it the URL over here. And I'm going to hit enter. Our skill works perfectly. So it's scraping our site and generating an outreach email with the summary of the site. This is incredible. And tell it to complete the skill. Now, since our skill works perfectly, I'm going to tell it to package the skill. So we can use the skill to scrape any website using Claude. So here you can see it successfully packaged our skill. Here's our skill. I'm going to save it. And now on the right, we can preview our skill and ensure that it does exactly as we told it to do. Right here. This is incredible. Now, if we wanted to make any changes to our skill, I'm going to click on Manage right here to go to our skill. Then to make the changes, I'm going to click on the three dots right here. And we can choose to edit the skill manually right here, or we can use Claude to edit the skill. So you can tell it the draft email is not an outreach email, it's an email with a summary of the website we're trying to scrape. So let us hit enter for it to make these changes. Successfully updated our skill. This time around, it's not an outreach email, it's a website summary email. I'm going to click on save to save our skill. Then we're going to upload and replace the one that we had previously. Then on the right, we can preview our skill to ensure that it's going to output exactly what we're looking for. Here. So our skill works perfectly. So now let us use our skill to scrape our site. So I'm going to grab my URL once more. Now, here we're going to use the skill to scrape our site. So we're going to Claude use this skill. Use this skill to scrape the site, which is my site, and then I'm going to hit enter here. Let's give it a second or two for it to scrape the site and generate a summary for us that is ready to be sent via email. This is incredible. Instead of having to manually copy and paste these emails into Gmail, you can tell it first rename the skill to website scraper skill. Currently it's website to email. I'd like it to be website scraper skill. Then for the email, it should be one click ready to be sent via Gmail. I don't want to copy and paste to Gmail. So let's hit enter here for it to update our skill. It successfully made the changes for us over here. We wanted it to be renamed to website scraper skill. Then output only the summary is in Gmail right here. So here I'm going to save our skill, and on the left we can preview our skill to ensure that it's going to generate exactly what we want. Here, this is incredible. So here we had told it to use the skill to scrape our site, and then output the summary in Gmail, where we can review the summary, the draft. So to do that, I'm going to open this link right here. In Gmail right here, you can see it generated a summary of the site after it scraped it. This is really incredible. So you can see here the summary of Lax Automation. Here's the overview of its site. Here are the services or products that we offer. The pricing plan, target audience, key differentiators, contact location, and the pages that have been reviewed. This is incredible. So now if we are impressed with the summary, all you have to do is just add our email address right. All you have to do is just add our email address right here and click on send to send ourselves the summary of the site. This is really incredible, and it works exactly how we wanted it to work. Let us try scraping another site and send ourselves the summary of the site via email, and then add the summary of the site to a draft similar to this one. So to do that, here we want to use our skill, which is a website scraper skill. Then we're going to tell Claude, use this skill to scrape the site, and then we're going to grab a website URL, this site right here. Then I'm going to paste this URL over here, and I'm going to hit enter. So now let's give it a second for it to scrape the site and generate the summary as a draft email. You can see it successfully scraped our site. We told it right here. This is incredible. Generated the website summary, user overview, services, target audience, key differentiators, team and their contact information. To preview the summary via Gmail, I'm going to open this link. Now here you can see the draft email with a summary of our site. Here's the name of our site with this URL, and here's the overview of the website. Here are the services that they offer. So they do branding, product design, lead generation, and AI automation. Here's the delivery process, target audience, key differentiators, the team, contact information, and the pages that have been reviewed using Claude. This is incredible. Let us try scraping a different site using our skill. So here's a site that would like to scrape and generate a summary. It's going to be drafted in Gmail. To scrape and summarize the site using our skill, I'm going to hit enter right here. Here you can see it successfully scraped the site and generated the summary right here. But it went ahead and added as a draft in Gmail. So scrape the site and generate an overview of the site, services or product that they sell, target audience, key differentiators of their contact information right here. To preview the summary via in Gmail, I'm going to open this link right here. Now here you can see the summary that is generated for this site. Here's the overview, the services and products that they sell, the target audience, the key differentiators, their contact information, and the pages that were reviewed. This is incredible. So now to send it all, we have to just add our recipient email right here. Click on send to send the summary. Here. Using our skill right here, the website scraper skill, we are only scraping one site at a time, as you can see over here. So, but if we had a list of hundreds of websites that would like to scrape, we can add them to a spreadsheet similar to this one right here, and then create a new skill that will be responsible for scraping the list of sites and then adding the summary to a spreadsheet. Here we can create a new skill that is going to do that. So here we can tell Claude, create a skill that pulls website URLs from a Google Sheet, and then here we're going to add the spreadsheet that we're going to add the list of websites that we'd like to scrape. It's going to crawl and scrape all accessible pages for each site, then generate a concise business summary including the services, products, target audience, and value proposition, then write the results back into the same sheet or new sheet by adding the new columns, business summary, service products, target audience, value proposition, key insights with one row per website, and return only the updated Google Sheets link for review. To create the skill, I'm going to hit enter right here, and then let's give it a few seconds for it to create our skill for us. Here, you can see it successfully created our skill. This is incredible. To save the skill, I'm going to click on Save Skill right here. And we can preview on the right. See if it has everything that we want, including the skill, including output the URL. This is incredible. So now we can use this skill to summarize a bunch of websites. We'll have added the URLs right here. We can start with those three. So here we're going to find our bulk website summary skill. Tell Claude use this skill. So my website in this spreadsheet called website summary spreadsheet, and then I'm going to hit enter. We successfully scraped the 3 URLs, and then added the summary to our spreadsheet. As you can see over here, to view summary, I'm going to open this link right here. And now here you can see the summary of each site. So you can see the business summary, service that they provide, target audience, the value proposition, and the key insights. This is incredible. Preview the business summary here of the 3 sites. Here the services that they offer right here, the target audience here, value proposition right here, and here the key insights. This is incredible. So now let us try scraping a couple of more website URLs using the skill that we created right here in Claude. To scrape a list of websites URLs using our skill, I've gone ahead and updated our spreadsheet with 12 more websites URLs right here that I would like to scrape and generate a summary for them that will be added to our spreadsheet. To scrape the website URLs, I'm going to reuse our prompt that we had previously right here. Make sure that we're using our skill, and then tell Claude use this skill to scrape and summarize websites in this spreadsheet. And then here we're adding the name of our spreadsheet, and here I'm going to hit enter. And we're going to give it a few seconds for it to scrape the sites and add the summaries to our spreadsheet. Here you can see it successfully scraped all our sites that we added right here. Then proceeded to add the summaries to our spreadsheet. As you can see over here, here's the link to the sheet. So I'll open this link right here to preview it. When we open our spreadsheet, you can see the list of our URLs, the business summary, service or product that we sell, the target audience, value proposition, and key insights right here. So we can preview the business summary of each site. Here are the services that they offer. Here the target audience. Here the value proposition. And here are their key insights. Right here. This is really incredible. So we successfully scraped this list of websites URLs and added their summary to our spreadsheet right here. Using this skill that we created right here in Claude. This is how you can scrape any website and send yourselves the summary of the website via email, or add the summaries to a spreadsheet similar to this one automatically in Claude. Now, if you'd like help automating manual tasks that you're currently doing in your business or your agency, just use the link in the description to schedule a call with me. On the call, we'll discuss into details on how I can help automate those manual tasks for you. But if you enjoyed this video, make sure you're subscribed to the channel and be on the lookout for the next video that will be dropping soon. But for now, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.